I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, RMA. I'm Carmella.
And I'm Rafael.
RMA, today's Christmas special starts right now. Welcome to RMA's festive Christmas special.
In our last show of 2024.
Since the last day before break, we don't really have any school announcements for you.
But we do have some special Holly Jolly feature stories for you guys.
Today, we will show you some DIY holiday crafts.
And we'll look at what you want for Christmas.
And of course, our holiday music video.
But first, the holiday spirit level needs to be a little bit more merry. Here's Charlie with some festive community events we can attend over winter break.
Hello RMA, it's Jackson Worth, and today we're talking about some local holiday events.
The West Coast Black Theater Troupe is performing a Motown Christmas that selects traditional favorite carols, the kind we can all sing along to, a perfect blend of traditional Christmas carols paired with soulful songs made famous by such Motown celebrities as Marvin Gaye, Stevie Wonder, The Supremes, and the Jackson 5. Their signature style makes this a most memorable Christmas performance that's fun for the whole family. Tickets are still available for shows this weekend through January 6th. Go to westcoastblacktheater.org for more info. Snuggle up this season for holiday movies under the stars at UTC. Every Friday and Saturday night starting at 7 p.m., join them for a free outdoor showing of your favorite Hollywood films. Grab a bite beforehand from the many eateries around UTC and enjoy special character visits and on-site concessions starting at 6 p.m. Limited seating is available, so get there early. Families and friends are encouraged to bring lawn chairs and blankets. Tonight, starting at 7 p.m., is the Polar Express, and tomorrow night is Elf.
These are just a few ideas for your festive frenzy this year. Back to the news desk.
Wow, the West Coast Black Theater event sounds fun.
I'm so glad to know about things to do over break because, no lies, I do get a little bored.
Yeah, it's nice to actually have something to do other than unwrapping Christmas gifts, right?
Absolutely.
Like, how would it feel doing a little crafting over the holidays?
Oh, I'm interested. Let's get further information on some easy DIY crafts with Lily and Maylee.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Maylee.
Christmas is a time to gift and give to your families.
What's better than some cute homemade holiday gifts?
First, get a plastic cup. Then, glue or tape his belt. Then, give him some eyes and a hat.
Reindeer garland to make your house look more festive.
First, we cut up some fabric into triangles, and then hot glue some googly eyes.
And then glue your pom-pom right there. Cut up some pipe cleaners and give your little reindeer some antlers.
This has been Maylee
and Lily
signing off.
Thank Thanks, Maylee and Lily. Those cups sure look adorable. I would love to have a Santa cup.
Well, now you know how to make one for yourself.
Hey, Rafael, what do you want for Christmas?
I want a PS5. Wonder what the rest of RMA wants for Christmas.
We put Aiden Claus on the case to find out.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, RMA. I'm Santa Claus, and I'm here to find out what you all want for Christmas this year. I have my trusty reindeer here to help me. Let's go. We've arrived at the school. Now let's try and find some kids to interview. Hey, you over there. Hello. What do you want for Christmas this year?
An electric guitar.
I want a vanity.
What I want for Christmas, I want a new PC because mine is kind of bad.
I want a vanity or a golden retriever.
I would like a never-ending supply of books.
For Christmas this year, I want Nikes and Bath and Body Works.
I want any Lego set.
I want a PS5 and AirPods.
Nothing really specific besides a violin.
For Christmas this year, I want an electric guitar.
I need a new phone because mine's broken because my cousin broke it.
What do you want for Christmas?
A Lego Mona Lisa.
That's a lot of gifts. And there's so many more. I have to get back to the North Pole to help the elves prepare for Christmas Eve. To all of you, stay jolly. Santa Claus signing off.
Well, looks like our Christmas special is coming to an end.
Wait, we can't forget about our Christmas music video.
How could I forget? Let's see how that turned out.
All right, you chipmunks. Ready to sing your song?
I'll say we are. Yeah, let's sing it now.
Okay, Simon?
Okay.
Okay, Theodore?
Okay.
Okay, Alvin? Alvin? Alvin!
Okay! Christmas, Christmas time is near. Time for toys and time for cheer. We've been good, but we can't last. Hurry, Christmas, hurry fast. One plane that loops the loop. Me, I want a hula hoop. We can hardly stand the wait. Please, Christmas, don't be late.
Okay, fellas, get ready. That was very good, Simon.
Naturally.
Very good, Theodore.
Alvin, you were a little flat. Watch it. Alvin? Alvin? Alvin!
Want a plane that loops the loop. I still want a hula hoop. We can hardly stand the wait. Please, Christmas, don't be late. We can hardly stand the wait. Please, Christmas, don't be late.
Very good, boys.
Let's sing it again. Yeah, let's sing
No,
it again.
No, that's enough. Let's not overdo it.
Alvin, cut that. Now, wait. Theodore,
That was great, but that Alvin guy looked familiar.
Not too sure what you're talking about.
Huh, weird. Well, that's all we have for you today. I'm Carmella Fidelibus.
And I'm Rafael DeMacco. I hope everybody has a great winter break, and we'll see you next year.
Happy holidays, RMA.